guys, I was going to show you my outfit of the day, which I kind of showed you in my makeup room. But I'm just wearing this LSU hoodie that I got for Christmas. I got these jeans yesterday and these shoes. So this is what I am wearing today. My pump is screaming at me, so let me get it put back on. Clean my glasses. And we're going to put this back on. I hear ya. Good official morning, you guys. I just got ready. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a morning routine. I'm just going to add it to this vlog because it's not like a ridiculous morning routine or anything, but I just thought I would share it. Today I am cleaning out my car, filming my car tour, and then I'm going to go with my mom and my grandmother to lunch and run a few errands and stuff like that. So I thought I would bring you guys along. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and always comment below any video ideas you want to do. I don't think I've ever done a morning routine, so that's why I decided to do one today. Just something different for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying, and let's just get the rest of this stuff done. I just need to go clean my car out real quick. And then I need to take some boots back for Dwight, so I need to put those in the car once I clean it out. So I'm going to show you a really cool Christmas present that I got. It is actually like a shop vac for your car, so like you put it in your car to use it. So we're going to use it today. This is it. It's so cute and tiny, and it just plugs into the little cigarette lighter, and you can vacuum out your car. So I haven't used it yet, but my car needs to be vacuumed, so let's go do that. I'm gonna meet my mom and them over there and then leave from there. I really wanted to wear my hair down, but the wind is ridiculous, and when I was trying to clean the car, it was just all in my face. But yeah, I am filming my car tour today, so you will see me in this outfit again in another video, either before or after this one. I don't know which one will go up first. But yeah, I am so excited to be finally filming that. I'm going to run the car through the car wash, and then I'm going to film the rest of the car tour. Alrighty guys, so I am editing yesterday's vlog and just going to add a little bit to it. Me and Miss Nelly girl are hanging out here. I haven't shown you guys her since I got her, but she's getting huge. She's getting so big. Use her ears, and she's so sweet. She's literally like our dream dog. Like, she is so good. She has learned to go out our doggy door. She can go in and out it, and then we made a ramp for her to go down into the yard, and she goes up and down that and goes outside to potty. She's just so good. She does sleep with us at night, which is the one thing we didn't want to do with her. But she just does so well, so she sleeps with us. And I did my nails. I did the like nail wrap things. They kind of look weird, but like these look good. My nails are just really short right now, so yeah. I got them at the Dollar Tree. I got 2 of them. I just did these marbly looking ones for today. I'd never done them before, so I was just bored and figured I'd try them. We're just waiting for Dwight to get home. I really want to go eat Mexican, but I don't know that he's going to want to do that. So we shall see. But I'm just hanging out with her. The other two are outside doing Lord knows what. But she's just hanging out with me, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. The car tour is already up, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it in the cards, and you should definitely go check it out. We're super excited. And yeah, that's going to be it for this vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Say bye!